grade 2.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Okay, good to hear that. Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Don't forget to eat your breakfast because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Now, grade 2, I want you to look at this picture. Now, what have you noticed in the picture? Yes, James?
It is a ant, teacher.
Okay, very good. It's an ant. Have you ever seen an ant?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Based from the picture, what is the color of ant?
It is red, teacher.
Very good. It is color red. Did you experience bitten by the ant?
Yes, teacher.
What does it feel? Yes, Shaan?
It stings.
Okay, it seems or
It hurts.
It really hurts. Now, what do you think are the characteristic of the ants? Yes, James?
The ant is small, red color, and its bite hurts.
Okay, the ant is small. What else? Yes, Shaan?
They are very diligent.
Yes, very good. Diligent and what else?
Strong.
Strong.
Yes, James?
Strong, teacher.
Okay, very strong. Now, do you think being strong is hardworking also?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So the ants is also hardworking. Now, do you think being hardworking like ant is important for us?
Yes, teacher.
Why? Why do you think being hardworking is important for us as a human? Yes, Shaan?
Because it gives us a lot of blessings.
Yes, very good. Hardworking is important for us as a human to get a lot of food and also to get money. Now we're going to unlock some difficult words. And first, okay, repeat after me. Crumbs,
Ram.
Crumbs.
anthill,
Anthill.
picnickers,
Picnickers.
panicky.
Panicking.
Okay, let's unlock the first. What do you think it is?
A crown.
Yes.
Again, what do you think it is?
A bread,
Yes,
teacher.
it is, teacher.
Okay. Based on this object, what is the meaning of the word proms? Yes, Shaan? Can you please come in front and click your answer?
A.
Okay, great job. Okay, let us take grade 2.
The meaning of crumbs.
The meaning of crumbs
The meaning of crumbs
is a small piece of bread.
is
A small piece of bread.
Okay, very good. Just for the second. Okay, let us read. Based on the picture,
Based on the picture,
what is the meaning of the word anthill?
what is the meaning of the word anthill?
Okay, who wants to answer? Yes, James? Can you please come in front? And click your answer. Okay, very good. Okay, grade 2, let us read. The meaning of anthill
The meaning of anthill
is a mound of soil created by ants?
Is a mound of soil created by ants?
Okay, very good. Okay, for the third. Lord James, Ralph,
Nor James Ralph
and Julius
and Julius
enjoyed a delicious lunch by the lake
enjoyed a delicious lunch by the lake
as picnickers.
as picnickers.
Okay, based on the sentence, what is the meaning of picnickers? Who wants to answer? Yes, Shaan.
Ano ba sunod siya?
Okay, your answer is okay. Who wants to help? To Shaan. Okay, yes, James. Okay, very good. Okay, let us read grade 2. The meaning of picnickers
The meaning of picnickers
is people
is people
who are having a picnic
who are having a
outdoors.
picnic
Outdoors. Okay, very good. For the number 4, I want you to look to what I did, to what I do. Now, okay, grade 2, based on what did I do? What is the meaning of panicking? Yes, James, again. Can you please click your answer? Okay, very good. The meaning of panicking
The meaning of panicking
is a feeling or showing fear.
is a feeling or showing fear.
Okay, very good. Now, okay, today we're going to read a story and entitled Auntie's Adventure. There's an aunt named Auntie. And Auntie is a smart aunt, and she has a very smart and a clever thinking to solve any problem they encounter. Now, what do you want to know more about the story? Yes, James.
Can you repeat your question, teacher?
Based on the story, what do you want to know more in the story?
What are the problems Auntie encountered from the story?
Okay, very good. Okay, grade 2. Let us read. What are the problems
What are the problems
Auntie encountered from the story?
Auntie encountered from the story?
And we will answer this question later during our discussion. Now, let us read the story. In a busy anthill
In a busy anthill
lived a little ant named Auntie.
lived a little ant named Auntie.
One day, she faced 5 big problems,
One day she faced big 5 problems,
but her quick thinking
but her quick thinking
saved the day.
saved the day.
When rain flooded the anthill,
When rain flooded the anthill,
everyone was scared.
everyone was scared.
She led them to a dry grass until the flood passed.
She led them to a dry grass until the flood passed.
After the flood, food was limited.
After the flood, food was limited.
Auntie goes out and found crumbs left by picnickers.
Auntie goes out and found crumbs left by the picnickers.
She planned the ants to get the food and bring it back to the anthill.
She clapped the ants to go get the food and bringing it back to the anthill.
There are hungry beetles that hurting her friends.
There are hungry beetles that hurting her friends.
Instead of panicking, she created a way.
Instead of panicking, she created a way.
Until her friends away.
Until led her friends away.
Beetles lost and saving them.
Beetle lost and saving them.
Through her courage and leadership,
Through her courage and leadership,
Auntie solved every challenges,
Auntie solved every challenges,
proving that even the smallest ant can make a big difference in the community.
proving that even the smallest ant can make a big difference in the community.
Okay, now, what is the title of the story? Based on the story, what is the title of the story?
Auntie's Adventure.
Okay, very good. And who is the main character in the story?
Auntie.
Okay, very good. Now, what did Aunt Ruth do when the anthill flooded? Yes, James?
She led her friends into a dry grass pitcher.
Okay, very good. If you are auntie, will you go out to find and look for food?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. And what do you think is the knowledge and is the knowledge teach from the story? Yes, James?
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid even though you are small.
Okay, very good. And now, based from the story, what are the problems Auntie encountered from the story? Yes, James?
Like the problem that Auntie encountered are
Are. Okay, very good.
blood, beetles, and beetles.
Okay, very good. How many problems? Yes, there are two problems. Okay, very good. Now, let us discuss. Now, let us read the sentences from the story. Grade 2, let us read. The rain flooded the anthill,
The rain flooded in the anthill,
so Auntie led everyone to a dry grass.
so Auntie led everyone to a dry grass.
For the number 2, the food was limited,
The food was limited,
so she goes out to get food.
so she goes out to get food.
Wait, for the number 3, hungry beetles hurting her friends,
Hungry beetles hurting her friends,
so she created a way.
so she created a way.
Okay, let's go back to the first sentence. Okay, and try to analyze this text. So, what have you observed in the sentence?
It has a highlighted words, teacher.
Okay, very good. It has a highlighted group words. Okay, what color did you see?
Red and yellow, teacher.
Again?
Blue and yellow, teacher.
Okay, there's a color of blue and yellow. Now, what is the word with color blue?
The
Yes, James?
the rain flooded the anthill.
Okay, the rain flooded the anthill. Can you please put in our packet chart? On the second one. Again, what is the word with color blue?
The rain flooded the anthill.
Okay, very good. Based from the text, what did everyone feel when the rain flooded?
They feel fear, teacher.
When the anthill flooded again?
They feel scared, teacher.
Okay, they feel scared. Why do you think everyone is scared? Yes, James?
Because there is a flood in their anthill.
Okay, because the anthill was flooded. No, now, what do you think? What do you think this highlighted group of words tells? Yes. Yes, James.
An issue, teacher.
Okay, an issue. Very good. So, if this highlighted groups of words tells an issue that need to be solved, what do you think it is?
A problem, teacher.
Again?
A problem.
Okay, very good. It is a problem. Can you please put in our pocket chart, Julius? Okay, now, what do you think? What do you think is a problem? Okay, James?
A problem is an issue that need to be solved.
Okay, very good. A problem is the issue that need to be solved. Okay, grade 2, let us read. A problem
A problem
is an issue
is an issue
that need to be solved.
that needs to be solved.
Okay, very good. Now, take a look at the second highlighted word. Again, what is the word with color red yellow? Yes, James?
Auntie led everyone to a dry grass.
Okay, Auntie lead everyone to a dry grass. Can you put in our pocket chart, Julius? Now, based from the text, what happened to their food after the flood? Okay, yes, James.
Again, teacher.
What happened to their food after the flood? I mean, what did Auntie after the until was flooded?
Auntie led everyone to a dry grass.
Okay, very good. So, if these highlighted words tells that Auntie led everyone to a dry grass, what do you think, or what do you think it tell us?
Solution, teacher.
Okay. Okay, what again?
A way, teacher. It is
What?
a way. A way.
Okay, very good. It is a way. And do you think it is a way? Do you think a way is action also?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So if this highlighted group of words tell us the action or way, what do you think it is?
A solution, teacher.
Okay, very good. A solution. Now, what do you think? Now, what is a solution? Yes, Julius? Okay. Okay, James.
A solution is a way to solve a problem.
Okay, very good. Solution is a way to solve problem. Okay, grade 2, let us read this. Okay, can you please read? A solution
A solution
is the action or way
is the action or way
of how the problem is solved.
of
how the problem is solved.
Okay, very good. Now, let's move to the second sentence. Again, what is the word with color blue? Yes, Julius.
A problem, teacher.
I mean, my question is, what is the word with color blue?
Basahin. Basahin mo. The food was limited.
Limited.
Okay, very good. The The food.
The food is limited.
The food was limited. Okay, very good. Can you please put in our pie chart, Julius? Again, what is the word with color blue?
The food was limited.
Okay, the food was limited. Very good. Now, based from the text, what happened to their food after the flood? After the anthill was flooded? Yes, James.
The food became limited.
Okay, the food was limited. Now, why do you think the food was limited? Okay, James again.
Because there was a flood.
Okay, because the anthill was
Flooded.
flooded. Now, if this text that the food was limited, what do you think it tells? It is an okay
The problem.
or if you read this again, the food was limited. It is a
Problem, teacher.
okay, a problem. So, what is a problem? James.
A problem is an issue that need to be solved.
Okay, very good. Okay, grade 2, let us read again. A problem
A problem
is an issue
is an issue
that needs to be solved.
that we need to be solved.
Okay, now, let's take a look at the second highlighted group of words. Again, what is the word with yellow color? Yes, Julius.
She goes out to get food.
Okay, very good. Can you please put in our pie chart, Julius? Can you please put in our pie chart?
Lagi mo.
Okay, again, what's the word with color red yellow? Yes, James?
She goes out to get food.
Okay, she goes out to get food. So, again, if this text, if she goes out to get food, what do you think it shows? Do you think she shows away or ano? Or what? Yes, Julius.
It tells the action or way.
Okay, very good. It shows an action or way. So, if this sentence shows action or way, what do you think it is? Yes, James.
A solution, teacher.
Okay, very good. It is a solution. Now, what is solution? Yes, Miss Lee.
A solution is the action or way of how the problem is solved.
Okay, very good. A solution is the way or action of how problem solved. Now, let's move to the third sentence. Again, what is the sentence with color blue? Yes, James.
Hungry beetles hurting her friends.
Okay, very good. James, can you put in our pie chart? Again, based from the text, what happened to her friends? Yes, James?
They being hurt by the beetles.
Okay, very good. So, based from the text, what does it tell us? Yes, Miss Lee.
Problem, teacher.
Problem. Okay, very good. Now, so if this sentence tells a problem, tells an issue that need to be solved. Again, what is this? What is this? Yes, James?
A problem, teacher.
Okay, very good. It is a problem. Now, what is problem again? Yes, Julius.
A problem is an issue that needs to be solved.
Okay, very good. A problem is an issue that need to be solved. Now, let's take a look at the second highlighted word. Again, what is the word with yellow color? Yes, Miss Lee.
She rated away.
Okay, very good. She created away. So, what do you think? What do you think? What, based from the text, what does it tells?
It tells away, teacher.
Okay, very good. It tells away. Now, if this highlighted group of words tells an action or way, what do you think it is? Yes, Miss Lee.
A solution, teacher.
Okay, very good. It tells a solution. Now, what is a solution? Yes, James.
A solution is the action or way of how the problem solved.
Okay, very good. A solution is the action or way of how the problem solved. Okay, now, how can we identify the problem and solution? Okay, again, grade 2. Okay, grade 2. How can we identify the problem and solution? Again, grade 2, how can we identify? Yes, James.
We can identify problem and solution by analyzing an issue that is need to be solved and analyzing the way how to solve an issue.
Okay, very good. Okay, now grade 2. Let us read. We can identify
We can identify
problem and solution
problem and solution
by analyzing
By analyzing
an issue that is need to be solved
an issue that is
needs to be solved
and analyzing the way how to solve an issue.
and
Analyzing the way how to solve an issue.
Okay, did you understand grade 2?
Yes, teacher.
And that's all our topic for today. You may now read grade 2. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.